Eto na nga. So, we are in Vietnam. Kakainin namin itong street food. Try mo, Gabi. Hindi namin alam kung anong pangalan nito. Pero definitely we're gonna try it.
Asa jelly.
Mukhang nag-i-enjoy sila. Anong lasa, Nat?
Ulam.
Grabe. So, I'm gonna try it as well. Very good. We got new friends here. They taught us how to eat this. Can you say hi to my vlog? Say hi. Alright. Try?
Ang sarap.
Try natin. Try natin kung masarap.
Wala namang na jogger. Masarap ang ulam. Parang yung yan, no?
Sarap.
Sarap.
Matamis siya. Try natin. Malasa siya. Grabe. Malinamnam. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung anong tawag dito. Tulungan nyo na lang ako. Sabi dito, panchong net. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce eh. Sige, later. Bye.